There is a myth that snoring is only common in men, and that is not true. Women can also snore, especially if the woman is overweight or obese, having an obstructive sleep apnea. The women do have probably more probability of snoring postmenopausal, or if the person is premenopausal and obese than men.